Yeah, so this is the lens I said I might just try and vlog with to my destination. So bear in mind, this is a manual focus lens, so yeah, so everything that I'll be doing is, it has to be manual focus. So let me swap this out. So I'm using a Sigma 16-28. That's a full frame lens, and this is also a full frame lens. So let's see what this looks like. All right, focus this, manual focus. All right, so this is the lens right now. It is really bright. Let me just bring up the f-stop a little bit. Yeah, so this is the lens that I'm shooting on right now. So comparing to the 16-28, so this is it. Yo, this is actually nice. I'm actually shooting at like 2.9, you get me, 2.9. So I can actually put my hand out far to this distance and focus it again. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'll be using this lens until I reach Barbados, but if I want to switch back to the 16-28, I will. I'll let you guys know. So peace. All right, so does it make sense to vlog with a cinema lens? No, it doesn't make any sense. Does it make sense to vlog with a manual focus lens? No, it doesn't make any sense, because like, yo, vlogging is require like a run and gun type of vibe, but this is not really the type of run and gun type of vibe. But yo, I'm like, yo, I can do what I want to do. You get me? Hey, good girl. Hey, my dog's acting up because I'm leaving. Yeah, so this is like the low light capabilities now. So I'm actually shooting in Cine IE on the Sony FX3. This is 2500. Yeah, I'm shooting at T1.9, which is okay. I don't know if it's bright enough. I don't know if you guys can see me clear enough, but it looks good on the camera screen so far. I'm shooting in 4K DCI, 24 frames per second right now. So 24 shutter, 48. You get me? Keeping it natural as possible. I will switch to 30 frames because I love shooting in 30 frames. You get me? So yeah, this is what it looks like. And it's a good thing that the camera comes with focus peaking, so I can know how far I need to be from the camera so I can focus. Well, so I can make it seem as if I'm using an autofocus lens. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the lens. The build quality is amazing. Let me show it to you. So this is it. Yeah, the lens is super nice. The focus wheel feels so smooth. The aperturing is a bit hard, but it's not as smooth as the focus ring. You get me? But the two both rings like works differently, but I love how it feels when it changes in the aperture. So how should I say this? So I don't think that you'll make any mistake when it comes down to, like, you know, changing the aperture, because you can actually feel the difference with both of the, you know, the rings. So let me even give you some of the key things that I love about this, right? I love the fact that it doesn't matter where I love the fact that it doesn't matter where you're standing, right? As you can see on this side, you can see the f-stop, and you can also see the focus, right? And even if you should turn to the next side, you can see the same thing. So it's basically on both sides, left and right side, right? And then when the next thing is like the writing on it, you can actually see it in a not, you know, a space that is not well lit. So that's also good. The lens hood, it's metal, and it doesn't like slide off like regular lens hood, because I've used some lens hood before, and yo, each time I take it out of the camera bag, it keeps on coming off. I'm like, why does it come off so easy? But yeah, lens hood is, yeah, but yeah, the lens hood is metal. We have a 77 filter thread, which is really good, and it's so good that I even have ND filters for it. Yeah, you get me? As I said before, the build quality is so amazing, so amazing. And one of the main key things for me with this lens is the drop-in filter, which is located at the back right here. So yeah, there's drop-in filters in here if you want. Once NiSi, you know, creates more filters for this, so a variable filter at the back would be perfect, because like any filter that is directly in front of your camera sensor is like perfect. Instead of the camera lens, the camera sensor, it will be perfect. But you know that you're changing the filters meanwhile you're still recording, that's going to be like an issue. But yeah, it's fine. It's totally fine. It's totally fine by me. And in order for you to like connect, well, in order for you to drop in the filter, you actually have like a dot. If you can see the dot, that is right here, and then you have another dot that is also right here. So that's how you know that, okay, once you drop in the filter, it line up. Once you drop in the filter, it lines up, and you're good to go. And it doesn't even give the vibe that it's going to like fall out or anything like that. Yo, this filter is really good. Imagine I'm going to be at the airport until 5:30 p.m. today, and I won't reach Barbados until about 9:18. It's about a 3-hour flight based on what I've seen, and I've been here for about almost 5 hours waiting on my flight, and that is insane. But nevertheless, I'm here. Might as well just do the video right now, because I know that I'm going to be mad busy when I get to Barbados. So let me switch back the lens. So I'm actually using a Sigma 16 to 28 2.8, and because this is 1.9, I want to see like how wide it is right now at 25, and the depth of field that I'll be getting. Okay, so this is the NiSi 25 T1.9, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, yo, trust me, since I've been using this lens from morning, it's so good. I just love how it looks. It's very sharp, but bear in mind, I don't think this lens doesn't really have like a character. It's like how you would see like a character from like a vintage lens, or even let's say anamorphic lens. Like this lens doesn't really have any form of character, but outside of that, it's super sharp. You get me? I don't really get any crazy focus breeding. So if I should focus from me from here to the plane, well, the tail of the plane, then rock it back to me. Yeah, focus. Yeah, one of the things that I have a love and hate is the focus throw. It's 360. That's a lot of spinning. You get me? But yo, let me give you some sample videos meanwhile. I'll see what this lens is really capable of doing, and then you guys be the judge if you like how it looks and everything. So actually using a 2 to 5 stop ND, and I'm using a Pro Mist filter, yeah, to give it a different type of look. But I hope it actually looks good to you guys. Let me see how close I can go This is how close I am. Can I go any closer? Oh. Let me see his side profile. Can I go any closer? No, I can't go any closer. And this is it. Yo, this is nice. This is nice. You see that little thing right there? This is nice. Let me see how it looks with flaring. Let me point the lens directly to the sun. Turn down this and focus. Yeah, that's the type of flaring you get. Not much, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad at all. So, like, one of the good things with shooting with a mirrorless camera, you know that you have focus peaking, so I can see like if it's actually in focus or not. But I'm going to like punch in and see how sharp it looks when it's in focus. You get me? But yo, this is really good. Why am I moving like it's an autofocus lens? But yo, this look really nice. I love how it looks. Like, yo, it renders the background really good. I can't wait to start shooting it. I can't wait to start using it on sets and see, you know, comparing it against like a Nisio lens and I have a Rokinon 35 lens I can actually test out and see if it's actually, you know, if there's a big major difference between that lens, because that lens is about, I don't remember the exact price, but I can put up the price compared to this lens that is like $1,300. Am I a part of the big guys in the film industry right now? Yo, this is so cool. Yeah, it's really cool. So you guys be the judge of it and tell me what you think.